In this video, I show you how to fix GCash no internet connection problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for GCash, tap on GCash, up to date your GCash app if available any update version. Now search for 111 or tap on it. Now install 1.1. whatever internet. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for GCash, tap on GCash, tap on storage and cache, clear cache, tap on force stop. Now open 1.1. app, tap on next, accept, install. Okay, not now. Tap on connect. Now open GCash. Now I hope that this method fix GCash no internet connection problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.